Yeah.
I have some food in my bag. Not the edible food. The food you eat? No. I have some food for thought. Since knowledge is infinite, it is infinitely filled.
Yeah. Yo, I like to take this moment to spit and let you know exactly what it is. It's DOC, yeah, I'm straight in your face, and I learned how to move on earth with God's grace. It's all about place, and that's the perfect placement, so trust me, I'm like the one in the Matrix. Even though I might be dressed like John Smith, it doesn't matter, cause I always run up on it. Yeah, you know what it is when I get in the section. DOC, I only give you that blessing, a part of heaven that was missing. I brought through the fourth dimension, now we kissing, me and you together forever. That's the way that I see it, and I've been the same cat ever since Egypt. Do you see it? Do you open up your eyes? Do you connect when I rise? Yo, I'm out for the money, ain't nothing funny. Gotta be polite and to use good manners around the manor. Yo, I used to be there thinking that I need a trade, like need to get some nails and a hammer. But these days, yo, it's all about how you use your grammar. Your grammar, yo, listen to the way that it go around. This is that flow, it's DOC, yo, I gotta get dough. It's all about money and there ain't nothing funny. And we living in the gully and it's seeming like it's ugly, but it's not. If you wanna play rugby, then try, and then you get a try, and then you touch the sky like Biggie said. Sky's the limit, and I'm in it to the very last minute. It's more than just lyrics, it's all about business. If you need it, then you know who is this. It's DOC4 and I'm straight on the mic. Without no mic, I always keep the crowd hype. I make them feel the energy so that they remember me, going back to their friends and call their friends to see. Yo, the way that I do it, it's like I'm using weaponry, but the only weaponry I got is God. Straight up the most high inside your face, like what? Yo, you really wanna know, doc? Because when I come through, it's like Bruce Lee, I'm teaching the whole world is kung fu. And I don't wanna fight, I wanna spar. The same way MCs wanna drop a bar. And I ain't gotta say I'm a proper star, that's up for you to decide, big papa star. And I always got faith, it doesn't matter even if I leave this earth, I leave with grace and let you all know my place. I state the case, it's DOC4, even I'm at fourth place, it doesn't matter cause I still keep my mind out of space. Connect to the stars, connect to my people, connect to the evil, and then I know that it's deceitful. Then I change it up for my peoples when I'm looking through my pupils. DOC, straight up fam, I schooled you, and I ain't trying to rule you. No, I ain't trying to fool you. I'm trying to release and make you feel like a cool dude. Walking around is so sick, looking at the streets like they're taking a mick. But I ain't gonna blame no one, have fun, get it done, and make sure you worship the sun and give thanks for the rain and even the pain. And if you like money, better get up on the train. This is on the track, I could never be whack, I could never be whack, I'd have to take it back. And now I'm out there like the cat on the rack, making sure that I do it like Doc 4. And no other brother's ever gonna make me mutter another word that is absurd. I'm here on earth and I speak with the Queen's etiquette. Yo, who you know with better letters than Doc? Yeah, blood, I'm here like The Rock, Jam Rock, UK Rock, whatever. What? You really want it? Yeah, you can get it when I send it, plus I really meant it. Rocking on that beat by Erykah Badu. Yo, here with the Badu. I shaped up myself, you tell me how it look. Don't really matter, cause I ain't trying to be a crook. I'm trying to be one of them man with master plans that really give a damn and can move over sands. Yo, blood, I got it all in my hands. It's all about how you use it, it's more than just music. I used to love music when I was young, but then it made me get a little stupid. But nowadays, yo, it's all a movement. I make sure I progress. I give it straight to those that wanna feel blessed. Give it straight to those, whoever I address. It's DOC, the pill for the stress. Take away that, is it red or blue? I choose the red, gold, green, and it's straight to you. With love that's true, sincerely yours, it's DOC4. The rest ain't nothing, just pause. That was arrogant. Basically, what I'm saying to you is I ain't having it. I love